Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to share with you how to use all these items from Dollar Tree. They are very useful and now I'm going to show you how I use them in my craft room. The first item that I want to show you is this set of easels. It comes two and this is perfect for taking picture of your cards and also to display them. Can you see right here? You can put it over here and you can put on everywhere and they look very nice when they are standing, and also you can take nice pictures of them. And another one is this big one that I already took the package away, but you can find it at Dollar Tree. And this one is a large one that you can stand and put mini albums or folios or anything big or any book to display or for taking pictures. For example, I have this journal that I made. And I love the pages because they have a lot of details, and I can show any page on the easel. And now I'm going to show you something else that I found at Dollar Tree, and is this one, a light, a desk lamp. And maybe you missed it when you went there, but this is wonderful. I love it, and it's very helpful, especially if you don't have a good lighting in your craft room and you want to take pictures or you want to record. This is wonderful. I'm going to open it so you can see. This is my third one. I'm going to show you the ones that I have. They already have batteries. It's battery operated, and look, it comes like this, and this is bendable. I love this part because you can place the light where you need it. You can bend it this way, you can put it up, you can put something on top and then put this light like this, and it can give you light on the table or anywhere. See, so it goes like this, and this is the power button, and right here is where you put the batteries. It needs 3 AA batteries and uses a LED light, and it has 100 lumens. See, right here says 100 lumens, so it's super bright. And I'm going to show you the ones that I already have with, and I have these two that I'm using, especially when I take pictures. I need more light from the sides, and I'm going to show you samples on how I take the pictures. And look, see, it has a good light, and you can just put it up here, for example, if you want to display something, and you can move it and make the reflection of the light anywhere. See, now I'm going to show you the difference using these lights and without them. Another item that I saw at Dollar Tree and I really wanted to test it is this micro tip brush pen, and it says no bleed, quick dry, and archival ink. And this one, believe me, for $1.25 it makes a very nice job. I'm going to write my name with calligraphy. And let's do this, some swirls, and can you see? It doesn't bleed, and it comes in this package that says journaling in. See, so look for it if you are into card making or journaling. Then another item that I recommend you to have in your craft room is this cat brush, and you can use for felt, you can use for yarn. For example, I have these pom-poms that I made using these tools from Dollar Tree. If you find it, it's very nice to have them. It comes one of these big ones or two in these two small sizes. See, so this one is the big one, and I'm going to show you. You just brush it like this. I'm doing half so you can see. Can you see how fluffy is this compared to the ones with yarn right here? So beautiful. So if you want to make pom-poms, you must need this one, see? And then you just pull this part up here and you can keep working. Now I'm going to show you something that you find in the beauty section, and it's very useful to have it in your craft room. These are elastics that comes, I think, like 15 or 20, and you can get it in many colors and also in black only. And I like these colors, so I just bought one package and I put it up here and keep them for tying the cords of any electronic device that I have. So it's so useful. For example, right here I have my glue gun, and it's very easy just to put it in here and keep them together. And I do the same thing with other devices. I use a lot of pencils and I want them to be sharp all the time. And if I break any of the tips, I put it away. And I have this sharpener from Dollar Tree. It comes in many colors like lilac, pink, blue. And this sharpener uses 3 batteries that are AAA. And the batteries work for a long time and look beautiful. And I have all my pencils sharpened all the time. Another item that I got at Dollar Tree recently is this notebook, and look, the pages are blank. See, and I like this ivory color. It's wonderful for a journal, and it's an imitation of leather. They have it in black and also in this color, and right here it says gold, and it says that it has 64 sheets. And I bought it because I want to have right here the sample of all my stamps. And it's nice because I can have this one like later for journaling or something, so I can start like stamping right here with different colors and have samples of my stamps. And maybe I can put up here what brand is it, because I save my stamps by brand. I don't take the package off. So, and this is how I save my stamps, and they are in their original package. For example, right here, this one. And sometimes I have so many. I think I have so many, but it's only these two. But it's hard to think like if I have it or no, some sentiment, or if I have something special. So I think this one is going to be very nice to keep track of all the stamps that I have. And yeah, this is an idea for you to keep track of your stamps, or maybe you want to use it as a journal. Sometimes when you are working with small dies, it's hard to pick them up. And I show you this tool from Hobby Lobby, but it's hard to find now, and you can pick it up because it has magnet, right? So now I'm going to show you something from Dollar Tree that you can use if you can find something like this and you really need something to pick up these small dies. This magnetic pickup tool, and it's in the hardware section, and I'm going to show you how it looks. See, you can have it with your pens right there. Look, you easily can do the same thing, and best of all is that this one extends. This pickup tool extends up to 33 inches. 33 inches, and you can pick up from the floor any metal thing that it falls on the floor, and you can save them in a small place. You can put on a drawer, or you can put with your pens or pencils or anywhere. See, You can also find this one. It's a cup with a lid in the bathroom decoration. And I think you can use this one for Q-tips or cotton balls. And I like it because I can save stuff like this. And it's clear, I can see it. And for $1.25, this one is very, very nice. But now I'm using it like a cup. And I wanted to show you because I want to find faster my tools, and I like how my tools look in this container. So you can use it for putting your tools, putting pencils, you can put anything, and you can use it with a lid to save things inside. And I have another container, all my pink stuff. Example, my cutter right here, this one, all my pink tools are here. Can you see? And also I love these pens that I bought in the month of October for the breast cancer awareness, and you can display them in one of these containers. See, so I have my green stuff and my pink stuff, and I can find my tools very easily. I hope you like all of these ideas on how to use these items from Dollar Tree and have them in your craft room. And please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, for all your likes, your comments, and for sharing my videos. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.